This video is just to show you the new Effects Toolbar that we've added to Vixen 3.5 Update 2. Now currently, as you know, you've got your list of effects all down here. You can obviously minimise each of them if you don't use them. You can also obviously turn that into a docking anywhere. I usually keep that over to the left there so I can see the whole list and just drag them straight across. The new toolbar, Effects Toolbar, if you go up to View, Effects Tool Strip, click on that, and as you'll see there, it's added another tool strip to the top there. Now that that'll stay there, you can't move that around the screen, it's not a docking one. But what that basically gives you the ability to do is then obviously remove the effects one. So that gives you a bit wider area to work with for your sequencing. On the top here you've also got a number of options though. As you can see, when you highlight each one, it tells you the name of the effect. That's useful when you turn these labels off. So you can do that by right clicking anywhere on that toolbar, label position, you can have no label, so it makes it smaller again, just gives you a bit more room. It works exactly the same as the effects list, so you can grab an effect down. You can still use the draw mode, click an effect and draw multiple ones. And you can also click on it and hold the Control Shift down while dragging across, and whichever ones are selected, it'll replace that effects with the effect that you just dragged. So exactly the same as the current effects list. Other options in here is you can right click above image for your labels or below. You can also then add and remove effects. So you've got your three different effect types. You've got your basic, pixel and device. So just like in the old way, you had your basic, there's a list of basic effects, pixel effects, and obviously device effects. Now you can just click on that, and as you can see on the far right, it's adding and removing the device ones from view. I never really use the device one, so I'll probably keep that off. You can also then, if you don't want the basic ones, however, most of the time you'll be using most of the basic ones and then some of the pixel ones. But I don't know, me for example, I don't use the audio effects here. This is where I can then come into the pixels. I can go down to the waveform, UV meter, vertical meter, and as you see at the top right, it's removed them from view or hidden them. You know, you can select on other ones that you may never use, and basically it just allows you to narrow down the effects that you've got in your list here. So you know, you end up with the ones that you use all the time. And that's probably about it. All these settings are saved, so next time you come in it'll be exactly how it was. And obviously if you want to turn it off, you just click on the effects tool strip again. If you want to get the old one back up, it's the effects window. And that's the new effects tool strip. Thanks.